Knowledge Bandara, an animated video presenting the world's best-selling books.
Hello friends. Today I am excited to share my experience of Upliance AI, a cooking device I recently unboxed. Along with the device, I found some handy accessories, a scraping stick or spatula, 3 measuring spoons, a blade cover, flat beaters for dosa batter, a steam basket, and a crown cap for the jar. The jar is quite spacious, perfect for cooking meals for up to 4 people. And there is even a weighing machine to help you measure your veggies and ingredients accurately. Today I am going to make Moongdal Khichadi. So let's gather the ingredients. Chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, moong dal, cauliflower, ghee, jeera, onions, tomatoes, rice, green chilies, potatoes, and fresh coriander leaves. So let's begin. First, as per the instruction, I'll place the washed cauliflower in the bowl. Next, I'll add all the spices. As I add the spices, I'm starting the tempering process. You might have noticed a beep sound. That's a safety feature that ensures the jar lid is securely locked before proceeding. The device indicates how long the tempering will take, which is about 2.3 minutes. The best part is, while processing it shows the next steps and what are the ingredients you need as you go along. Isn't that amazing? Now the tempering is done. It's time to add vegetables, onions, green chilies, garlic and tomatoes. The device will chop everything for me. Once that is done, I will manually scrape the sides. And add the rice and moong dal, followed by cauliflower and green peas, along with the final spices and salt. Then I will start the cooking process, which is set for 35 minutes. Once the time is up, I will receive an alert that khichdi is ready. After using the device for a week, here is my honest feedback. It is perfect for those who are new to cooking. Just add your ingredients as instructed, and it's that simple. So let's see its benefits. You can prepare a variety of dishes, almost restaurant style. While I won't say it's exactly the same, it's pretty close. You can multitask while cooking. There is no need to monitor the machine constantly. In fact, not required to be present near the device. Just return when you hear the beep sound. It teaches you cooking basics like when to add spices and main ingredients. Great for learning. This is an excellent investment for bachelors, working professionals, or families. No need to spend on a maid or cook. So, coming to its weaknesses, currently the range of dishes is limited, especially for South Indian recipes. But I'm sure the backend team will expand their recipe collection soon. You can't cook two dishes at the same time, and some processes are quite lengthy. I noticed some meals took 45 minutes to 1 hour, while my wife could wipe them up in under 15 minutes without the device. Cleaning the jar can be a hassle, especially when food gets stuck at the bottom under the blades. Even with the rinsing feature, it is tough to clean thoroughly. The price is whooping 27k and the accessories are pricey too. I believe they should consider a lower price to reach wider audience. I know they are targeting premium customer segment, but still around 15k would be ideal. That's it for today. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.